Hey everyone, Nathan from New Horizons Lifestyle here. Today I just wanted to give you 2 quick tips on how you can get through hard times. So the first one is to always be grateful and always appreciate the good things that you do have. For example, I love being in nature, and I am living in a place and also working in a place that is surrounded by nature. And if you can look behind me, you can see this magnificent backdrop of the valley. And I really appreciate being around nature. It makes me feel good. It just creates positive energy. And so find something that you do have, that you are grateful for, and that you do enjoy, and appreciate that. Because when you appreciate it, you switch from focusing on the negative of the things that you don't have to the positivity of the things that you do have. And that is powerful. Number 2 is to actually just do things that you love. Do things that you do enjoy. You might not have exactly what you want right now. You might not be where you want right now. But you still can find ways to do and enjoy the things that you love. So if you do just little things that you love on a day-to-day basis, it creates positivity, it makes you feel good, makes you feel happy, and the more that you can do that, the less you will be focused on the negative things and the things that you are struggling with, and you'll get through those things a lot easier. So that's my 2 quick little tips today for how you can get through hard things in life. Okay, see you tomorrow.